Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Now we have received certain queries from the chapter accounting equation. Let's solve them. The first query is question number 20, which is given on page number 5.21 from the book T.S. Garewal 2020 edition. T.S. Garewal, fine, 2020 edition, and this question says that A commenced his cloth business on 1st April 2018. 1st April 2018 को हमने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है and capital of rupees 30,000 was introduced. So that means on 1st April 2018 this figure is opening capital. Fine. So opening capital given to me in the question is rupees 30,000. Now the next, on 31st of March 2019, that means when the year closes, his assets were 50,000. On 31st of March 2019, that means this is our closing of the year. So his assets were, that means closing assets, they were 50,000. Closing assets were 50,000 and liabilities were 10,000. and closing liabilities, because ये जो liabilities हैं ये भी जो इनकी डेट दे रखी है वो 31st of March 2019 दे रखी है. So these are closing liabilities and the amount is 10,000. Now we know that sum of all the assets is equal to capital plus liability. है ना, we know that sum of all the assets is equal to capital plus liability. Now find out his closing capital. मेरे पास बेटा closing assets हैं, closing liabilities हैं. Accounting equation is sum of all the assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So obviously if I am going to substitute the value of closing assets and closing liabilities over here, that means I'm going to get the figure of closing capital. So let's substitute the value. Closing assets are 50,000 is equal to closing liabilities 10,000 plus your capital, which we'll calculate. So capital will be rupees 50,000 less 10,000, which is equal to rupees 40,000. Which is equal to rupees 40,000. Fine. So the closing capital will be, closing capital in our books of account will be 40,000. Fine. This is the first part. Now we know that closing capital is 40,000 and opening capital is 30,000. And the formula for calculating closing capital based on this information is opening capital plus profit. We don't have anything है ना in the business, और कुछ तो दे नहीं रखा ना, drawings and additional capital है. So opening capital plus profit is equal to closing capital. Now we have all the values. Let's substitute the values. Opening capital is 30,000. Profit I need to calculate, and closing capital is rupees 40,000. So again, profit will be, let's take 30,000 on the right hand side. 40,000 minus 30,000, it is equal to rupees 10,000. So 10,000 is the profit earned during the year. I hope that the solution is clear to all of you. Now the next doubt question which we have received is question number 25 from the page 5.22 T.S. Garewal 2020 edition. T.S. Garewal 2020 edition. Fine. Now this question says that Mohan started business on 1st April 2018 with capital 25,000. That means this is my opening capital. देखो बेटा, जो आपको कैपिटल दी हुई है और डेट आपको फाइनेंशियल ईयर की बिगनिंग डेट दी है 1st April 2018, सो ओपनिंग कैपिटल इज रुपीज 25,000. Fine. Then this is, and a loan of rupees 12,500 borrowed from Sham. So loan would be our liability. तो जब बिजनेस हमने शुरू किया तो जो लाइबिलिटी मेरी अराइज हुई इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लोन which Mohan has taken from his friend Sham, this is rupees 12,500. Fine. Now this is during 2018-19 he had introduced additional capital of rupees 12,500. So additional capital introduced is rupees 12,500. Fine. And had withdrawn 7,500 for personal use. That means during the year his drawings, Mohan drawings, were the total drawings done by the proprietor Mohan were 7,500. Fine. Total drawings were 7,500. On 31st March 2019, his assets were 75,000. Fine. Assets were 75,000, and these are the assets which are given on 31st of March 2019. That means these are our closing assets. Fine. This is the position of the assets on the last day of the financial year. So these are our closing assets, 75,000. Fine. Now we have to find out the closing capital and profit made or loss incurred during the year 2018-19. अब बेटा देखो, क्लोजिंग कैपिटल तो बहुत इजीली, जैसे अभी हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, निकल जाएगी. अब कैसे निकलेगी क्लोजिंग कैपिटल? अब देखिए, क्लोजिंग एसेट्स अगर 75,000 के हैं बच्चे, सो लाइबिलिटी में कोई चेंज नहीं आया, क्योंकि कहीं क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिखा हुआ कि ये जो लोन हमने लिया हुआ था ये रीपे कर दिया या ये लोन बढ़ गया. सो द ओपनिंग अमाउंट ऑफ लोन will be your closing liability also. So we know that sum of all the assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Fine. So assets are 75,000, liabilities remain same, 12,500. So obviously the balancing figure would be capital, and this capital would be closing capital. So closing capital will be rupees 75,000 minus 12,500, which is equal to 62,500. Fine, it will be 62,500. Now I know that what is the closing capital. We have the information about additional capital, information about drawings. Definitely the balancing figure would be either profit or loss. So let's have this closing capital 62,500, and we will have the formula for 62,500 was the closing capital. Let's substitute the value. Opening capital plus additional capital minus drawings. No, if it is a positive figure, then plus profit, and if it would have been a negative figure, that means there would be a loss. It is going to give me closing capital. Now we have calculated the value of closing capital also. Let's substitute the value. Now if I'm going to substitute the value, opening capital was 25,000, add additional capital 12,500, less drawings 7,500, plus let the profit or loss be x. If it's a positive figure तो profit होगा, negative figure x आएगी तो ये loss होगा, is equal to closing capital we had calculated 62,500. So if I Calculate this. This is 25,000 plus 12,500 minus 7,500. This is going to be 30,000 on this side, left hand side, plus x is equal to 62,500, which implies if I want to solve it for x, 62,500 less 30,000 is going to give me rupees 32,500. Fine. And this 32,500, since it's a positive figure, that means it's a profit. अगर बेटा ये negative figure होती तो ये loss होती. So my closing capital is 62,500, which I had already calculated, and profit is 32,500. I hope the solution of this question is clear to all of you. The next doubt question which we have received is question number 26. This question says on 31st of March 2019, the total assets and external liabilities were 2 lakh and 6,000 respectively. Now, this is the state of closing assets. क्योंकि 31st March दिया हुआ है ना बेटा, 31st March 2019 will be our closure of the financial year. So total assets given will be our closing assets, and these closing assets are given to me as rupees 2 lakh. Fine. Then your liabilities, external liabilities, same date पे 31st March. See, दोनों चीजें मुझे 31st March 2019 को बैलेंस दे रखा है. So obviously मेरी ये closing liabilities हो जाएंगी. So closing liabilities are rupees 6,000. Fine. Now with this information, I can calculate the value of closing capital. Fine. I can calculate the value of closing capital because we know that sum of all the assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities plus capital. Fine. So if I'll substitute the values, assets are 2 lakh, liabilities 6,000, and capital is, let it be x. Now this x will be the closing capital. So if I calculate the value of x, it will be 2 lakh. ये इधर चला जाएगा, minus 6,000, which is equal to rupees 1,94,000. So 1,94,000 is nothing but the closing capital. अब मेरे पास क्लोजिंग कैपिटल आ गई. अब आगे क्वेश्चन में देखो और क्या क्या चीजें दी हुई हैं. इट्स गिवन that the proprietor had introduced capital of rupees 20,000 and withdrawn 12,000 for personal use. That means additional capital मेरे पास आ गई है. मेरे पास अब इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई है additional capital की. Additional capital given to me in the question as rupees 20,000, and the drawings given in the question are rupees 12,000. Then it's also given that he made a profit of rupees 20,000 during the year. मुझे अब profit के बारे में भी दिया हुआ है. Profits of the business is rupees 20,000 during the year. Fine. Now I have closing capital, I have additional capital, I have drawings, I have profit. So the question is now asking to calculate the closing capital. So if opening, closing to nikali, opening capital. If I need to calculate the opening capital, let's substitute the values. Let's substitute the values in the formula. We had already discussed this formula, that is opening capital plus additional capital minus drawings, then plus profit, since we have profits in the business, is equal to my closing capital. Fine. So let's substitute the value. Let opening capital be y plus additional capital is 20,000, drawings less are 12,000, profits are 20,000, so plus 20,000, and all this is equal to rupees 1,94,000. So if I'll solve it for y, so y 20 plus 20 40, 40 minus 12, it is equal to 28,000 is equal to 1,94,000. 1,94,000. So if I solve it for y, it is 1,94,000 minus 28,000. It is equal to rupees 1,66,000. So 1,66,000 is y, and y we substituted for opening capital. So this is going to be my answer. Rupees 1,66,000 is the opening capital. I hope that the solution of this question is clear to all of you. Now the next doubt question is question number 24, B part, given on the same page 5.22 in the edition T.S. Garewal. And this question says that Mahesh started business with capital of rupees 15,000 on 1st April 2018. So my opening capital in the question given, opening capital, see the date is 1st April, that means this is the opening capital. It is given to us in the question as 15,000. During the year, he made a profit of rupees 3,000. So profits made during the year is rupees 3,000. Fine. He owes 2,500 to supplier of goods. To supplier of goods means these are the liability. Owes है ना, महेश ओ कर रहा है टू द सप्लायर ऑफ गुड, तो उसने गुड्स खरीदे होंगे, महेश ने गुड्स खरीदे होंगे, तो जिनसे गुड खरीदे हैं उनको अभी 2,500 पे करने हैं. सो ही ओज rupees 2,500 to the supplier of the good. That means this is the liability. Now what is the total assets of the business on 31st of March 2019? That means we want to know the closing assets. Fine, we want to know the closing assets. See, we are having opening capital. Now if we are going to add the profits earned during the year, that is 3,000, in our opening capital, we are going to get the closing capital. So let's write the formula. Opening capital प्लस प्रॉफिट, क्योंकि और कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ, ना एडिशनल कैपिटल है ना ड्रॉइंग्स है, प्रॉफिट ही दिए हुए हैं, तो ओपनिंग कैपिटल प्लस प्रॉफिट इज गोइंग टू गिव अस क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. So we are going to find the value of closing capital by substituting the values. 15,000 plus 3,000 is equal to rupees 18,000, and 18,000 is our closing capital. Now we know that this is the value of closing capital, and the liability given to us in the question is 2,500. So if I substitute the value of closing capital and liability in our accounting equation, that is sum of all the assets is equal to your liabilities plus capital, liabilities plus capital. So I can find the value of the assets. Let the assets be X. Liabilities given in the question are 2,500. Closing capital we had already calculated, it is 18,000. So sum of all the assets on the last day of the financial year, closing assets will be 20,500. These are the value of the closing assets. ठीक है बेटा, ओपनिंग कैपिटल दी हुई थी, प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ था, और कुछ तो दिया नहीं हुआ, ना एडिशनल कैपिटल दिया है ना ड्राइंग दी है, तो मेरा जो फॉर्मूला होगा क्लोजिंग कैपिटल निकालने का सब कुछ हटा दिया. ओपनिंग कैपिटल में प्रॉफिट ऐड किया तो क्लोजिंग कैपिटल आ गई. 15,000 में 3,000 ऐड किया, 18,000 मेरी क्लोजिंग कैपिटल आ गई। अब मेरे पास कैपिटल है और लाइबिलिटी है, तो मैं एसेट निकाल लूंगी। तो आई विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला सम ऑफ ऑल द एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू लाइबिलिटीज प्लस कैपिटल. When I'll substitute the value 2500 plus 18,000, I'm going to get the value of closing assets, that is 20,500. I hope the solution of this question is clear to all of you.